Wait for a second. Cheer. I would advise you use Webflow for websites because if you want to become a professional, Webflow is the best thing to use. That's the design trend. That's what's going on everywhere now. Everybody's using websites. Plus one more thing, linktr.ee. Yeah, that thing is pretty viral now because everybody's using it. It's a place to keep your links. You should go and test that out now. Go and do that right now because if you don't do that, you won't be in the trend. And that's what design is about. Design trends. Am I right or wrong? Leave me in the comment section. Anything you want to say, leave me in the comment section to help the algorithm. Yep, I think that's done. I'm trying to post every day in the week. Let me rest it. I'm trying to post every day now. So that's why I'm doing stupid stuff like this, trying to waste time. So it'll be 1 minute. So when I get AdSense, I'll verify my account. That's not the main aim. I just want to be famous. Yep, in the UX world and in the tech world. I think that's all. Peace.